Before you buy a Jeep and regret it every morning on your daily drive, or get stuck off-road wishing you bought a different trim, you need to hear this, because Jeep Rubicon and Jeep Sahara are built for two very different types of people, and choosing the wrong one can cost you comfort, money, and performance. Today, I'm breaking this down from a mechanics and real-world usage point of view, not brochure talk, not dealership hype. Rubicon versus Sahara, off-road beast or daily driver? Let's find out. 1. What Jeep intended each trim to be? Let's start with the mindset behind these two Jeeps. Jeep Rubicon. This is Jeep's factory-built off-road monster. It's designed for rock crawling, mud trails, steep climbs, serious off-road abuse. The Rubicon is built to leave pavement behind. Jeep Sahara. The Sahara is the comfort-focused Jeep. It's meant for daily driving, long highway trips, light trails, and family use. Sahara owners want the Jeep look and capability without sacrificing comfort. This difference matters more than most buyers realize. 2. Off-road hardware. This is where Rubicon dominates. Let's talk about real mechanical differences, not cosmetic stuff. Off-road Rubicon features: locking front and rear differentials, electronic sway bar disconnect, heavy-duty Dana 44 axles, rock track transfer case, lower crawl ratio. These are not gimmicks, these are expensive upgrades already built in. On steep rocks, deep mud, or uneven terrain, the Rubicon will keep moving while others stop. Sahara off-road setup: open differentials, no sway bar disconnect, lighter duty axle setup, more road-focused suspension. Can it go off-road? Yes, but it's not designed for extreme terrain. 3. Daily driving comfort. Sahara wins. Now let's be honest, most Jeep owners drive to work, drive on highways, sit in traffic, drive long distances. This is where Sahara shines. Why Sahara is better for daily use: softer suspension, quieter ride, better road handling, less steering correction, less tire noise. After driving both, one thing is clear: Sahara is easier to live with every day. Rubicon feels stiffer, more road noise, more vibration. Not bad, but noticeable. 4. Tires, a big difference you feel every day. Rubicon tires: aggressive all-terrain or mud terrain, thicker sidewalls, heavier tires. Pros: amazing traction off-road, strong sidewalls. Cons: louder on highway, lower fuel economy, more expensive to replace. Sahara tires: road-friendly all-terrain, quieter, better fuel efficiency. If you drive daily, you will feel this difference every mile. Number 5. Fuel economy, real-world truth. Let's be real. No one buys a Jeep for fuel economy, but still, there's a difference. Rubicon: heavier components, bigger tires, more drivetrain resistance. Result: worse fuel mileage, higher fuel costs. Sahara: lighter, more aerodynamic setup, better rolling resistance. Result: slightly better MPG, less frequent fuel stops. Over years of ownership, this adds up. Number 6. Maintenance and repair costs. This is where mechanic experience matters. Rubicon maintenance: more complex systems, electronic lockers, sway bar disconnect motors, heavy off-road wear. If you actually use it off-road, bushings wear faster, axles take more stress, tires wear quicker. Rubicon ownership equals higher maintenance costs. Sahara maintenance: simpler systems, less drivetrain stress, cheaper tires. If you're not off-roading hard, Sahara is cheaper to own long-term. Number 7. Modification potential. This is interesting. Rubicon mods. Many Rubicon owners never use full capability, still add lifts, tires, armor, but you're paying up front for features you may never use. Sahara mods. Many people buy Sahara and add better tires, small lift, skid plates. Result: a Sahara can become 90% capable of a Rubicon for most trails at lower cost. Number 8. Resale value. Both hold value well, but differently. Rubicon Resale. High demand, off-road enthusiasts love it, holds value extremely well. Sahara Resale. Larger buyer market, appeals to families and commuters, easier to sell in cities. Rubicon may get higher price, Sahara sells faster. 9. Winter driving in bad weather. Rubicon. Lockers help in deep snow, heavy traction, excellent control. Sahara. More predictable on icy roads, better for plowed streets, less aggressive tire slip. For winter daily driving, Sahara feels safer and smoother. 10. Road noise and long trips. Take both on a 6-hour road trip. Rubicon experience. More tire hum, stiffer ride, more driver fatigue. Sahara experience. Quieter cabin, more relaxed ride, better for passengers. If you travel a lot, this matters. 11. Who should buy the Rubicon? Buy a Rubicon if you regularly off-road, you rock crawl or trail ride, you want factory off-road hardware, you don't mind higher costs, you accept daily comfort trade-offs. Rubicon is not a lifestyle badge, it's a tool. 11. Who should buy the Sahara? Buy a Sahara if you daily drive your Jeep, you do light trails or camping, you want comfort and style, you want lower ownership costs, you still want Jeep capability. Sahara is the smart choice for most owners. 13. Biggest buyer regret I see. As a mechanic, here's what I see. Rubicon buyers who never off-road. Sahara buyers who try hardcore trails. Both regret their choice. Be honest with how you'll use the Jeep, not how you imagine using it. If this video helped you decide between Rubicon and Sahara, hit like and subscribe to Advanced Backyard Mechanic. Comment below. Are you daily driving or off-roading? I'll see you in the next one. Drive smart, wrench smarter.